Hello everyone, welcome back to the next video of object-oriented programming series. Use a mixin to add common behavior between unrelated objects is the topic. As you have seen, behavior is shared through inheritance. However, there are cases when inheritance is not the best solution. Inheritance does not work well for unrelated objects like bird and airplane. They can both fly, but a bird is not a type of airplane and vice versa. For unrelated objects, it's better to use mixins. A mixin allows other objects to use a collection of functions. In this case, we have a fly mixin named variable which contain a function where object is passed and we can set a property fly on that object. The fly mixin takes any object and gives it the fly method. In that case, we have a bird object when we have a plane object here. And if we pass bird object inside the fly mixin method function, then it will automatically set the fly method there. In this case, bird.fly will also print this and plane.fly will also work. Note how the mixin allowed the same fly method to be reused by unrelated objects, bird and plane. Task for this challenge: create a mixin named glide mixin that defines a method named glide. This then use the glide mixin to give both bird and boat the ability to glide. In that case, let glide mixin equal to function, and we have to pass the object here, object dot glide equal to function and in this case let's use simple console.log and inside let's simply write glide. Okay, and now we will pass inside glide mixin the object bird not mixin and inside glide mixin boat. Right, let's run the tests and it's successful. Download my solution, and thanks everyone for watching. See you in the next video. Till then, bye bye.